Welcome to IVTNN's Good Morning World. China has decided to retreat and have a deal with India because the post-American election has encouraged China to retreat because now China feels that China will be spared by the new administration. We will look into the matter. Please stay with us. It looks like China is retreating from its belligerent attitude. Let us see what are the reasons why China has decided to retreat. First of all, we believe that China as a nation was totally annoyed with the rest of the world due to its COVID, because China faced so many problems at a time. First of all, the trade war with Trump, and sometimes trade problems with India because of India's balance of foreign currency was affecting because of this trade deficit with China, and India's most of the factories and manufacturing is depends on the raw materials are coming, raw material or semi-raw material you can say, coming from China. And without that, you cannot. Indian factories will affect, especially the copper, like rare metals, some many elements. So what happened? That has a lot of trade imbalance with India and China. So India has taken this issue in front of the Chinese authorities whenever they had many meetings. Especially when it was you can say the present finance minister was that time a commerce minister. That time she has taken the matter to China. The China said that, okay, you bring the kind of products that China can import from India, increase the trade to narrow down the trade deficit. It was a logical argument, it was a friendly argument, and China and India has so many things are common, around 60% of the things are common. Buddhism originated in India and it was spread, it was China which accepted first time Chinese. China didn't reject it, the rest of the world has taken time, and now even though the Buddhism which was born in India completely vanished from China, from India, it is still in China. So that is what China is all about. Secondly, China is facing other problem is that Trump has created a lot of problems. Trump says that you have a lot of trade deficit and we will ban, and they have banned Huawei and other Chinese companies in America. So China was a stung. You can see that China has facing a lot of problems, trade deficit problem. By the time came COVID and the entire charges of a COVID creation and sending COVID across the world, killing people, suffering the world, and shut down, the whole world was shut down, you can say. So all these was created by China and the whole world has turned. So China want to react and China cannot go to America to react because America is very far off. And China cannot go to Pakistan to react. Why? Because Pakistan is a friendly nation. So the only country China can react was India, and America and India were coming very closer, you can say closer. So when they came closer, it has irritated China that because Trump was the China believed that America, especially the Trump administration, was first of all using India as a pawn, as a satellite against China. The fact is 50-50% because India was creating a new relationship with America, because Russia was not showing that much friendly relationship once they have purchased an aircraft carrier and they have jacked up a lot of prices, and finally India was irritated, it was not delivered. So India believed that Russia is not showing that much importance to the relationship between India and Russia, and most of the weapons, around 80% of the Indian weapons are still India is using, that was imported from Russia. Now what happened? The fifth generation aircraft, the fighter jet, was designed with partnership of India, but India refused to bite it in the later stage. Why? Because the delivery date was getting delayed and Indian Air Force was facing a lot of scarcity because of most of the Aeroplane fighter jets were fallen down without being shot down by any country. So there are a lot of crises. That is the time is the arrival of the rightist NDA regime in Indian market. By the time a rightist supported Trump like people came in America. So one was a fire, the other was a wind. Both of them started burning and it was hurting China more than Russia. Once upon a time it was the Soviet Union was the Cold War and China was neutral. Now it is not like that. China is not neutral. China is the target. So China was irritated. China want to respond. So China found India as a weak target and sent their army or the soldiers. But what happened? With the support of the world, India stood firm and they resolved to send Chinese soldiers back. So that is the time what happened. The American president Trump has left, or he is not leaving or other thing, but he was defeated officially. So now China decided to retreat because they lost the enemy who was created maximum problem for China. Now China want to renegotiate a deal for which China need the present administration of America, the Biden group. Whether Biden will become the president or not, that is a problem of Americans, not of our business. But China believes that Biden is better than Trump administration, but Trump was creating a lot of problems for China. So now India has strongly said that we will have a war. If we are ready for a war, we are ready for a war because we want to take over the old territories captured by China, and that was considered by the former Congress regime, which was a kind of a ruling family, wanted to maintain their administration in India. And they don't want whether India becomes stronger or India becomes nothing. They are not concerned about it. They are concerned only about to please some kind of community and survive and enjoy power. But in India, it's not like that. The present regime believes that India should be as strong as the Arsha Bharat period. So that ideology is still going on. So there are around 60% of the Indians supporting that. So India, with this much support of the present regime, has a more strength, more courage and bold, at the same time capable of taking a war, and they are not afraid of war. That is the time Trump administration is supporting India, and with that support, India decided to challenge China, and India didn't retreat. Instead, India has created a lot of resistance, which stood more than 5 months now. So China thought that India will be run away. China said that if you fight a war, you will not win. But India said that we don't want to win the war, but we want to fight a war with a belligerent nation, which is creating a lot of problems for every neighbor. And now what is going to happen? Biden may withdraw the aircraft carrier very soon because he doesn't want to keep a carrier, and they may open a dialogue. China will open a dialogue. Obviously, China will have to open a dialogue because China need a trade pact should be re-established with America, because America is one of the biggest market. India is again market, but India will not buy anything because Indians are already annoyed with China, and now India is going for Atmanirbhar Bharat. So then now only one place is left is American market for China. So European market is a poor market. So China will have obviously a market, but it is European market is a poor market. They don't have that much demand. So only market is America. So America will have a deal with China very soon, and China will retreat completely from the present position to the pre-April position, obviously, and India will go after its own business because one after another the present regime is winning the election. Nothing is going to happen. Then the opposition is weak in India, and China doesn't have any support. All India, around 1.6 billion people are supporting India to fight a war, and they are ready for a 100-year-long war. So China will retreat. So this is the reason China decided to retreat, because China First of all, facing the cold. Secondly, facing the problem of trade deficit may occur in the later stage if China will not establish a trade relationship with the other countries. So overall, China has taken a good decision, and it is good for China. And China will again become normal, but it will take 5 years. As per the speed of a Chinese political leadership. Because China is one of the most isolated country. If other countries across the world will demand each person $1 million compensation or $5 million compensation, China has to give. Otherwise, the nations will capture China's assets across the world, including ship, refinery, investment, everything. And China purchased a lot of around 60% of the bonds issued by American Federal Bank was purchased by the Chinese. China has a lot of investment there. China want to protect it. Chinese company want to establish a lot of good relationship. Only Pakistan and North Korea are the only two small countries China has at present, and that will not create any market for China. So China need other nations, including India and America. So China will retreat politely, and India has to wait 1 more month. This is it. And with this, we are ending this week's Good Morning World. Thank you for watching. I will Good Morning World. Have a nice day.